A ping is really useful. It tells us if we've got a connection to a server and if we can send data to it, and it can send packets of data back. But if you remember from last week, your data is sent in lots of different ways all around the world. What are the names of the computers that help the data get to the right place? Have you remembered? They are routers, or routers if you're American. Each time we send a packets of data, it uses the different routers to find its way to its destination. And we can use another tool to check how many stops, how many routers our request will go to before it gets to the web server. And this one is called tracert, or tracert. So instead of using ping this time, I'm going to use tracert, Tracert, all one word. Put my space in, and then let's start with Google again. Google.com, no spaces in that of course, and press my return button. This time you can see it's doing lots of different checks. Some are taking longer than others, and it's giving me more than one IP address. I've got my trace complete. Let's see if we can work out what it means. So first of all, on this first column I've got the number of hops which took place. These are the number of different routers that my request had to go through before it finally got to the server. And these could be all the way around the world. So this one took 8 hops. When you try it, it might take 7, it might take 9. Remember, these packets of data might go different directions when you use it because it's going to try and find the quickest route at the time. Each time I did it, I sent 3 packets of data. This is telling me how long each data took. So the quickest ones were right at the beginning, and I had some which took a little bit longer as we went to different servers. Then the last column here is telling me the IP address of all the routers. So the first route you can see is smoothroll.noisethorpe.local. That's going right here at our school, and that's going through our filtering system that we use to make sure that our data is safe. So every packet of data going out of our school and every packet of data going into our school goes through that smoothroll, and that's the IP address of our school at the moment. Then we can see all the other IP addresses, these numbers, of all the other servers we went through until we get to the last one. And if I was to copy that address there and to put that into my web browser, it would get me to the Google web page I started with. So your task, can you use tracert on different web servers? You might use the same ones you use for your ping. Can you see how many hops which are taken? And can you check that everything is going out through our smoothroll before it goes anywhere else? Good luck everybody, and let's see what you find out.